we will demonstrate how to detect ultrasound with an oscilloscope. This is a piezoelectric crystal. It can both generate and detect ultrasound. Connect the crystal to a signal generator. The crystal will set the air into vibration by converting electrical energy to mechanical energy, which in turn produces sound. Increase the output frequency of the signal generator to the ultrasound range. Detect the sound with a piezoelectric crystal connected to an oscilloscope. Is the frequency of sound detected by the crystal the same as the output frequency of the signal generator?